Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghanaian 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Of a medra, and Cassa on I medra, Fanisa. Mensa who den a yen. Rawlings in num ni Vienna, or Muko meeting. Or can be in cabby. And no quiet ma aka. A course son so a boy a castle, ma castle when you were jai. The vice president doing beam any kufu bad 1996 by the Great Alliance. Okwabo Mensa Wood asum. Mensa Wood so is a finest and a better soldier than you. And not sure any more than soon. And on also reply. Oh my bodyguard bona so the muma utieti and yemani we. Oh we yano and I'm more than a two. A play muse. A friend a say ni kunu e traffic nti mo de na to play mo ko France. Akosane yare mi wa na nipa na wudi da mo ma play ne kwane na na wie mu ana mo sande ne ba ade eche na mo friend ere se mu kodu na ni kura wunti mo de na ba mo friend ere na ere ka kire mu se mi kunu atwa na mo de na ko France de a mo ma mi nka ho na ye nko na mi nkote na mi kunu mo se da bi na wo ye ka se sebe o ye a daughter of a medra wo se wontie sebe se wo kofa eye ye kan se give of four case ya Justice Crantinado, any the other two high court judges, Edia, any the chief way prosecutor Edia. Enunti Sabi Joaquin Amate Kwe say on Tiasie na Adiana are affecting the business. In 1982, Onyabeka a yuhuno, you can say PNDC huno. Moya ya kurampuno Sabi Mr. Mensa ya ono asem ye ya muka yo say okay if that is the case there usika kraa na wunya ye no metua ma na international tobacco company na Mensa dia otua sika no so otua sika no mo miensa mo se mo mpre mo say na adwuma no mo wie ye na three high court judges no mo se mo take revenge enti mo kwachi wom kun wom sabi Justice Crantin, Obano Crantin ado na ne ba ketwa air breastfeed. Montimi a wakwale ikrampo mobo. An innocent child. Uko kune she no. Ya shi ni wie ya ego hu na ne ba ne da ne bo a onuma ya she no. This is what happened. And do you believe say smoke fugua omukogye ye omomkodi sa anyamo asem no. Eye kan say ametepenu ni ade omkodi sam anyamo asem ne kogye ye ene akatapolo no kogye de koye no unim se sa ade no omkogye ye no ye kan say Rawlings re na di fugu ne mawo so what kind amazing dictator written by Yida na was the CID penia no investigate case no okanya o say Rawlings' wife Nana Kunadu Ajima Rawlings gave them the smoke. Said this is what the husband said they should go and do. And I'm going to come Japan, Papa. Ekum sabi judge or bar or breastfeed yaneba. And you say we should not call you the daughter of a medra. Now can the daughter of a priest and answer day. And Tiano dia ka. And your medra and Kwan yes, some friend, the daughter of a thief. In Sawan Canary, Yantua Mani Mammy. Unimsika on the Tonde Mani Mammy. A whole factory ani ye Sabi, Sardine near Mana, Yedin. Yeah. Unimsika on the Tomani Mammy. A ye ne gun a sikaya. Ye dear, and ne gun a sikaya ye dear. And come Toman 170 pesos, 17,000 old Ghana cities. Yeah. I am for no money that.
What are the budget?
And ultimately, sa him for no crowd. The list said about them the better because nipa sebi oba wo. Anka what I know ni say or hine de yama say o yo hina. Aye niema ehu hia na sebi say o ye ho asem. But this act any corner or my corner is an act of hypocrisy, a classical display of tomfoolery, morality and buffoonery. And then we must condemn it on no uncertain way. Because I will not to me pay development, Emma. Emra me chradie no. Ye pam school fees. See a pamon kola 10 bia na you go former 5 ka the free SHS a buy a beduma you go former.
Yeah,
I am telling you, I beduma you go former.
We're too much.
Then you come and sit here say won pem. Now what bet na hono ma mu bu say nkwase a question say JB dankwa. Emfa so be na sebi. Na e won so a e ba ne so ba Ghana ye condemn Rawlings. JB dankwa the whole world he is the only person who was considered as the doyen of Ghana politics. Ebia the word doyen no monte ase. The most respected and astute politician ever in Africa. Now we about Rawlings, who will respect Rawlings? Sabi Emre see dunka tia catch and say, or your backing dog no ma chain no. Na I'm gonna for him no matter dana. Sabi ya no one say na me then you come and sit there say oh your hene. And a muasem kwasi asem a tribal bigotry sabi hatred ni ade. Sabo munipa murani baako a otimi ba be Supreme Court judge Justice Pega ade a oba wi aso oye se oye nyina ne se o kanrafo ne sebe akanfo ti abom enso akanfo ti ni anrafo ti o mo ka bomu agama kotna parliament a okodidi sebe akanfo atema JB dankwa so ka kire o mo se ne you come from a tribe o me indigenous. And I'm watching where ya ma Justice Pega control every hegemony. Eki kan sebe akanfo ne sebe amunafo ti bo mua to the sense a justice of a Supreme Court na Akufo-Addo as a human rights activist and a lawyer eba wo nanse for 214 times and you know Supreme Court assembly ombedi wo bia becomes a court of reference. And over 946 human rights laws na sabi oko law school awusua na Akufo-Addo nko ade ye more than 200. Wo Justice Pagai otna ne nanse for 97 times. Now we sitting judge na Akufo-Addo wo. Wo wie ya abegina ho say Akufo-Addo is not a lawyer. And one year lawyer now as a Supreme Court justice. Otna ase emani bedi na asem ne ya tro de akọ law books to ma sabi yen ya yekosua law yekosua no. Now we nipa na say aboa. But media asama make an say ni obedua bia no na obetwa. Mo be ka say 2008 July. Ena man bia a friend Professor Kofi Awono. Onesa President Mills call South Africa. Emra President Mills ka say NDC and we need 2000 elections na Ghana be say Kenya no. Na Professor Kofi Awono no born in sem nyame adom ye call 2000 elections NDC we need 2009 and Kofi Awono call Kenya or kwakotwa de or shop and omkoto bomb eku no. Ghana did not become like Kenya but ono na no born in sem no or call Kenya ema bomb eku no na Ghana gusote ho. This is a niema asese nipa dwene asese nipa dwene. And then the man Rawlings media say do for cheer den so chechecha dem kura e na ne den chem da. No amount of whitewashing will wash the sins of Rawlings because he was a tyrant, he was a dictator, he was a murderer, he was evil, he was a thief and a devil's incarnate. Zanetor Rawlings can go to hell. Who did 17 years? Oh, Papa said, oh, child send you to helicopter. Yeah. Omo boy, a friend is saying, what do we call it? Ceremony. And ye de Ghana sika tofu we go helicopter mu na ye tell helicopter. I want the kwana anye pilot. Oh, Papa be poor man for Mr. Shegelege light. Nana you can say nana say Shegelege light. Ebi amudi emunim kumase. Yes, say our toilet mienu woni fie nti. Ye bona basa e bona iri nekesa na iri ma na nam na ye musa papa ne say e de na boy ire nam.
Si asema kwa.
O meti wonu mu say wo cheme store Rawlings Park amenye. Because a place I had ye meeting ye bomb the ja bomb about here. I will not go and look for money at that place. Oba Rawlings idi asabe nyansa sema da asa de papa be no bi betimi aka na wo de wanya kora no wo obi ti se wo Zanetor Rawlings ya nchi wantwa wuti anku ya ntwa wuti anku na ya ka kire o se wo ye set a daughter of a medrake ka obuafu ono krampo de me ne ho nya mabufu sese be ahemfo na omanyinyi we num so omu bu oman, and that is the more reason why voter region will continue to be underdeveloped. Because their chiefs are, excuse me to say, fools.
Of course.
Abusian for me both war here no makani say come obi nkabi.
Ejuma no de wa ye ni nyesi. Ejuma no. Ele ye tu chani nyina de ma. Na kenya asem na ye nka. Ne hone ne ye bia odi gina ho. Rawlings ayenim no ne hwe ne chi ne ma. Enra ye se omu kɔ eyie bi o se de ense hwan na ewu a na Rawlings Messi free ka mu na wo hɔ omo pass Somalia for
when you are enlisted into the Ghana Armed Forces as an officer, every 2 years you have to go and write exams. One pass exams in the bid that. But at that particular time, there is secretary of the Ghana Armed Forces, no ye or a civilian. He said, "Sena opewase munti. Uye biya no ama chance. Uye biya no ama chance." And when you realize, say, baby, I do need it. Then ya one obey you wedi no. Then you started your misbehavior, and at least unya asebe fine military penifo bi ti say mejo buachi janu ma na asebe o mani aje o madwen support o sa akola aketo wi. And how di be di nkwase asem. And then today, oh no, what you want to say, yenye we. Eno na dam e ma me bu fu PV men say PV obi wu na man for kasem papa no. I got very much annoyed. The man I know use